How to redeem H&M gift card online. Welcome to our channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser that you prefer and search for H&M promo code and give it a search. You will find various of websites dealing with the promo code. Select the website that you prefer. Here I've selected LA Times. You will find various of offer and promo code. Just tap on any one that you prefer. If it does not require a code, just tap on Visit the store. Then you will be redirected to the official homepage of H&M. To redeem the gift card or the promo code, firstly you have to purchase an item off the web page. So go ahead and shop. For the sake of this video as well, I'll be shopping a while. Here I've selected this concealer brush. You have to tap on Add to Bag. Once you are done shopping, scroll up, then tap on Shopping Bag, then tap on Checkout option. So firstly, you have to enter an email address to proceed, so go ahead and do that. Once you do it and your order is confirmed, you will see your order summary and a promo code section where you can go ahead and enter your gift card number or a promo code. Simply enter those number, then tap on Apply. You will see some of the discount or any offer that is attached with the promo code or with the gift card number. And just like that, you will be able to redeem it on the official webpage of H&M. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.